Here we have a 2014 Ford E150 Econoline VMI Tuscany handicap wheelchair conversion van with a lowered floor Braun Millennium Series lift from 2019. Again, the van is a 2014 Ford. The lift is a 2019. It does have power doors, full wireless system, remote control throughout. Everything is operated wirelessly. Show you how everything works. It's an awesome setup. Give you the tour. It does have 159,000 original miles. This belonged to a disabled vet, and he used it to travel around and go to various handicap conventions. All highway miles, conditions excellent, inside and out, clean title, clean Carfax, rust free, all the way. Beautiful, beautiful van. Looks like a low mileage van. Runs and drives perfectly. Tires are almost new. The lift is almost new. Guy was very meticulous about taking care of it. Comes with a lot of paperwork. Does have a transfer seat in the front. Show you how everything works here. 2014 Ford VMI Tuscany handicap wheelchair conversion van. Lowered floor. Transfer seat. Clean Carfax, clean title. Beautiful body, beautiful paint. Needs nothing at all. Laser straight down the sides. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. Do have a full transfer seat here. No accidents, no stories. You have the access point for the lift here. Everything works. It also has the wireless remote that goes with it. It also has an access point in the tail light. It also has a rear folding bed that goes down all the way. The folding bench seat goes down all the way. Some of these vans it does not. I will show you how that works. Again, you have multiple access points for the lift. You have a wireless remote. You have the tail light magnet, and you also have a set of switches by the license plate, so you won't be without a way to operate the lift. Does have also rear entertainment, TV, DVD, beautiful, gorgeous indirect limo lighting, wood grain accents throughout. Very nice van. The window shades are all there in good shape. Super, super clean. Good tires. The backs are about 50%. The fronts are almost brand new. There's a couple little marks here on the tailgate, spare tire cover. Overall, this van is beautiful. It shows just like a low mileage van. We buy and sell many vans. Give us a call. We accept all sorts of trade-ins. Here's your bed, goes flat. Van's in excellent shape. As you can see, non-smoker. You do have your transfer seat there as well. 954-561-2499. Does have a dual battery setup as well. It's an awesome, awesome conversion. Got your heavy-duty tow package. Very, very nice van. Power doors, transfer seat. We do accept trade-ins. We can ship worldwide. Give us a call. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. I am now operating with the wireless remote just to give you an idea how everything works here. The power doors close and you're in. Again, that lift is from 2019. All the serial numbers are on there. This truck has no rust whatsoever. It's a southern van. Spent its life in Alabama, Florida now. Beautiful. Down the sides, as you can see, it's in excellent shape. Stripes are nice. You have a magnet spot here to operate the lift. You also have a backup camera. You also have these switches here that will operate the lift. It's all there. It's an awesome setup. It'll be a fraction of the price, just reflecting the mileage, but the van is all there. Runs and drives perfectly. It needs nothing at all. I wouldn't hesitate to jump in this thing and drive it to California today. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. We accept trades. We'll take anything in trade. Cars, boats, motorcycles, anything you got, let us know. We're happy to help. Been in business 45 years. (954-561-2499). Very nice, clean van. Be a great deal. This one will sell fast. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. Thank you.